I didn't do an intro. Hello. I hope you look good. Guys, today is my last day of school. Like ever. Like I might take my last paper today. And then it's time. The whole time I'm getting ready today, I'm just thinking, okay, this is my last time. I need my shoes. This is my last time. Put on like school shoes. Like that is all that's going through my mind. Like this is the last time doing this. This is the last time doing this. But anyways, yo guys, I can't believe it. Like really, like. It's crazy. Like 12 whole years, well 13, because of grade R. But I had to repeat grade R twice. I actually had to repeat grade R twice. So 14 whole years. That is crazy, guys. It was no joke. Okay? Like 14 years in the system is no joke. Put some respect on my name. Period. Yeah, okay, so I'm about to leave now. I need to finish eating. Then I'm gonna go to school. And then I'm gonna try to talk to y'all when I'm at school. But I do wanna revisit this. Oh no. Okay. Let me finish up and then I'll see y'all when I get to school. I'm here. Oh my god, guys, this is the last time I'll be walking in these trenches. I need you water time. But anyways, I'm always the one opening this door, and today was the last time I opened this door. I'm always the first one. So that's the last time today. Hey guys, so what I need to do now, or what I'm going to do, is revise quickly. Cause but I look good, I look pretty. Ooh. You. This is very so pretty. Like you. Yeah, thank you. We're gonna do TikToks now. So last time I'm seeing her, she's using other teenagers. I died. Our last GU exam. Please. A big hug, guys. Wait. Hello guys, it's a market day at our school, grade 7, and they had us in class stuck doing math. They had us. Mama, say hi to my YouTube channel. Show the food. Oh, her chef. Just give me my money. Yeah! 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 Give me my money.
Guys. Give me my money.
I'm still angry. Because long as it's clean now.
Guys, we're going to Mads now. That penny YouTube video, I'm going to Mads now.
Hi guys.
Not Mads.
To me. Back with
Hello.
another banger video.
Per blondie. Per eating her. So we finished with LO. Uban, I'm vlogging and I don't care. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, this is your girl Zako X got the ghost _RSC on IG. Hi guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
We are trying to distress before we go to our next class. And we have a class till from 2 till 4, guys. Ma'am, please say hi to my YouTube channel. Hello. Okay guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching.
I'm still
Bye.
I'm still mad.
Catch us on the next one. Period. Bye. Hi guys, we vote and today is our valediction. Fortunately for me, honey, I am not unemployed. Okay, this guy unemployed now. I'm doing nails, guys. So I'm currently waiting for a friend of mine. Oh, guys, this girl with she's my most loyal customer. She's been with me through, when I was first starting, and I was super not so bad. I wasn't so bad. Even when I started, I wasn't that bad. But yeah, she's been with me from the time so today she's coming in for a first date actually, because she had a birthday party that I couldn't attend. So and just the fact that she's such a loyal customer, I have to show my gratitude to her. So anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do it. And
Off this camera. Mama, relax. It's working.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more. Got to be more. Sick of this mind.
Okay guys, I'm already running late, so I'm a casual once I do my makeup, but not gonna oil so much, but like yeah, nails like can you per
Into